Hey, howdy, hey, Jack from Cottco Specialty Hardware. Welcome to another edition of Cottco Chronicles. In this episode, we are discussing Polar Hardware's 101 Economy Diecast Utility Hinge. The 101 is manufactured from high-pressure zinc die casting and features a chrome finish. It is typically found on utility vehicles and service bodies on access panels. It weighs approximately 2 ounces and is available to you from Cottco via our website or call us toll free with any questions you may have. 877-283-1745, USA and Canada. Polar Hardware, 101 Utility Hinge. Thanks for stopping by. You have a great day. Bye-bye.